What's up, guys? So the weather isn't, oh, there's a dog here that I know is gonna go crazy. So I'm just gonna go down the other. It looks really, really cool. Oh, great, it's fucking raining. And guess what? It's not raining anymore. Let's see how long this will last. The sky over there looks really cool right now, so I'm just gonna get some pictures with my camera. I'm here at Olin Park right now, and yeah, I'm gonna pull out my zoom lens. I have two filters. I'm gonna use the CP filter first. I don't think I'll be flying the Inspire 2 today, but I might fly the Mavic today. See if I still got it. I'm actually gonna go grab my laptop and probably post one of these photos. Alright, I think I got a 5-minute window to fly my drone. I'm not gonna bring out the Inspire 2, I'm gonna bring out the Mavic, and I'm hoping that I can get the shot that I wanted to. Stay tuned. I don't know if it's raining or if it's just the water falling off the tree from the wind. I know a little bit of rain won't really hurt anything, but I still would like to know if it's actually raining or not. This is actually going to be my first aerial time lapse that I'm doing. The sky is really crazy right now, but it's really cool. I wanted to sit up there for 5 minutes, and this is going by so slow. Like, it's just sitting up there, and I'm like, I'm getting so impatient just waiting for this 5 minutes to go by. I'm ensuring safety though. I'm maintaining visual line of sight. I'm seeing that the wind is just angling the camera. It's actually just moving the camera very gradually. This does so well in these windy conditions. Alright, let's stop the feed. When my hands are full, I just use my nose and just stop it. Alright. I didn't get the exact shot that I wanted, but I think I got a good shot, so we shall find out here. I'm actually gonna pull up my laptop and look at the videos and the photos right now. The wind started picking up a little bit, so I decided to land. See, this is with the ND16 filter that's on right now. I honestly thought I was using the CP filter. Turns out I was wrong. It's like hailing out here right now. Oh my God. This is crazy. Well, good thing I got some shots while I could. I saw the cloud that was coming in, and now the cloud is coming down. I should go over there and do a time lapse of the storm coming in. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Yep. it's like all white in the sky. You can't even see the clouds. So we'll see what it's gonna look like, and you'll see it right now. You guys won't believe this. The weather really cleared up. It is seriously like amazing out here right now. So I'm gonna get some more drone shots, and this is crazy. The universe is really on my side today. I didn't bring out the Inspire 2, and I think it's a good thing that I didn't, just because the rain was on and off, and I would hate for that thing to have a small amount of water on that. It would drive me nuts. So there's that, and this vlog is over. See you in the next episode.